Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the transcript of any TikTok video for free in just a few simple steps. This method is perfect if you want to copy text from a TikTok video, create notes, summarize content, or reuse information without typing everything manually. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and find the video for which you want to get the transcript. Once you've found the video, tap on the share button located on the right side of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Copy Link. This will copy the video's URL to your clipboard. Now open Safari or any web browser on your phone. In the search bar, type TikTok Transcript and open one of the transcript generator websites that appears in the search results. Once the website loads, paste the TikTok video link into the provided box. After that, tap on the Get Free Transcript button and wait a few seconds while the website processes the video. When the transcript is ready, scroll down and you'll see the complete text from the TikTok video. You can now copy the transcript, save it, edit it, or use it however you like. And that's it. You have successfully generated a transcript from a TikTok video for free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more TikTok tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.